Morning, sir. Today I'll be explaining the backend programming of the develop services. So, for this part, I wanted to the main objective of the code is to be able to expand the reach of our customers and our clients for our services, as this is very essential. So the crucial part of the website is the services offered. So to be able to take in orders, we have to email, we have the description of a project and the type of order, and this will be able to this is an input, the user will input, and then the specified choice of service. So this is where our backend programming will focus on. So that part is situated in the ID order form 1. So order form 1. So first is we connect the PHP from the to the HTML. So we have order main, form main, PHP, and then our method is post, so we can easily transfer or collect the data within the user input towards our PHP. So we specified for each input is we specified it with a certain name. So for email, we named it email. For description, we named it description. And we have for type, which is arts, music, writing, we have name type. So how do we transfer this to our PHP? So we have this one. Because of this, we can go here. And then since we want to take data from this here towards our PHP, we want to use the post method, which is here. So the post method allows us to take the data, collect the data. So email is an email, description is description, type is type, and we want to create a database connection from our main database. So everything that the user inputs at this point will be situated in our database, our choice of database. So we have bind, named bind. Our connection will be connected to our database that is named order. So for our database, for our database, we have ID. First is we have our email, our description, our type, which is varchar, and then for description we have text. So first is we we make sure that there's no error. So if there is an error, it prompts this error message, and then if there is no error, it creates this part, which is prepare, insert into registration. So the values of which is for here the values of question mark, question mark, question mark. And then we give values to this question mark here. So since the 3 here are all strings, so we have SSS. And then the values taken here, we name that. So we have email, description, and then type. So once this is executed, the program will will prompt a message of registration successful. So that is how this works. So every time, let's say the user enters their email, their description, or type of order, once they enter which, it is directly transported to our database.